हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑनलाइन लर्निंग वेबसाइट। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग बात करेंगे फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स के ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस के बारे में जो कि आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन और अदर एग्जामिनेशन के लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण होने वाले हैं। बात करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। पहला क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि द ब्रांच ऑफ अप्लाइड मैकेनिक्स डीलिंग विद द बिहेवियर ऑफ फ्लूइड एट रेस्ट एंड इन मोशन। द राइट आंसर इज द फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स। Second question is when in equilibrium fluids can sustain dash forces. The right answer is shear forces. The third question, the ratio of the mass of a body to the mass of an equal volume of a substance taken as a standard. What is the answer is relative density. Question number 4, the property which determines the amount of its resistance to shearing force. The right answer is viscosity. Okay, right answer is viscosity, and the property which determines the amount of its resistance to its shearing force. The right answer is viscosity. The next question, kinematic coefficient of viscosity is the ratio of absolute velocity and mass density. The right answer is mass density. The kinematic coefficient of viscosity is the ratio of the absolute velocity and the mass density. The next question, viscosity of the liquids dash affected by the pressure changes. Viscosity of the liquids are not affected by the pressure changes. Question number 7, kinematic viscosity of gases varies dash as the pressure. The right answer is the kinematic viscosity of gases varies at the inversely as the pressure. Question number 8, surface molecules have dash energy that interior molecules in a liquid. The right answer is more. Surface molecules have more energy than interior molecules in a liquid. The next question, question number 9, the work to be done to bring enough molecules from inside the liquid to the surface to form one new unit area of that surface. The right answer is the surface tension. Next question, question number 10. The liquid rises in tubes that addition of a liquid to walls is dash cohesion of the liquid. The right answer is greater than. Yani the liquid rise in tubes when addition of a liquid to wall is greater than cohesion of the liquid. The next question, question number 11. The ratio of the change in unit pressure to the corresponding volume change per unit of the volume. The right answer is the bulk modulus of elasticity. The next question, question number 12. Question number 12 says that a fluid in which the shear stress is proportional to the velocity gradient या shearing strain. The right answer is that Newtonian fluid. What the right answer is Newtonian fluid. Next question, question number 13. A fluid. Question 13 is says that a fluid for which the resistance or to shearing deformation is 0. The right answer is that ideal fluid. Next question, question 14. Longitudinal stress in a thin walled cylinder close at the ends is equal to dash the hoop tension. The right answer is the half the hoop tension. Next question, question number 15. 15 says that the line of action of forces exerted by liquid on a plane area passes through the. Right answer is the center of pressure. Right answer is the क्या होगा center of pressure. Next question, question number 16. The position of the center of pressure is always dash the center of gravity of the area. The right answer is below the center of gravity of the area. The next question, question number 17. The force acting on any weight floating or immersed in a liquid, then force being not equal to the weight of the liquid displays. The right answer is the buoyant force. Right answer is the buoyant force. The next question, question number 18. Question number 18 says that the point through which the buoyant force acts is called center of buoyancy and is located at the dash of the displaced liquid. The right answer is that center of gravity. The point through which the buoyant force acts is called the center of buoyancy and is located at the center of gravity of the displaced liquid. Next question, question number 19. Question 19 says that for stability of a submerged body, the center of gravity of body must be lie directly below the center of buoyancy of the displaced liquid. Next question, question number 20. If the ratio of all corresponding dimensions of model and prototype are equal, the right answer is that geometric similitude. Next question, question number 21. Question 21 says that if the path of homologous moving particles are geometrically similar and if the ratio of the velocity of homologous particles are equal, the right answer is that kinematic similitude. Next question, question number 22. If the ratio of all homogeneous forces in geometrically and kinematically similar models and prototypes are the same, the right answer is the dynamic similitude. The next question, question number 23. Question number 23 says that inertia pressure force ratio is known as that Euler number. Next question, question number 24. Inertia viscous force ratio is called Reynolds number. The next question, question number 25 says that inertia gravity force ratio is called Faraday number. That is FROUTE, Faraday number. The next question, question number 26, that is inertia elastic force की जब बात करते हैं तो आंसर इज द Cauchy number. The right answer is the Cauchy number. Next question, question number 27. Square root of Cauchy number क्या कहलाता है? Square root of Cauchy number is called Mach number. Question number 28 is that inertia surface tension ratio is that Weber number. Next question, question number 29 is that an incompressible fluid in which the direction and magnitude of the velocity at the points are identical. The right answer is the true one dimensional flow. The next question, question number 30 is that a fluid in which the fluid particles move in planes or parallel planes at the streamline patterns are identical in each plane, that is two-dimensional flow. Question number 31 is the right answer is that question number 31 says that an ideal flow which can be represented by a flow net, that is right answer is that is irrotational flow. The next question, question number 32 is that a flow in which at any point the velocity of successive fluids particle is the same at the successive periods of time. The right answer is that steady flow. Next question, question number 33 is that a flow in which the magnitude and direction of the velocity do not change from point to point in the fluid. 33 is right answer is that uniform flow. Next question, question number 34 is the imaginary curves drawn through a fluid to indicate the direction of the motion in various sections of the flow of the fluid system. The right answer is that राइट आंसर इज दैट स्ट्रीम लाइन्स। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 इज दैट इमेजिनरी कर्व्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 की बात करते हैं। अगर क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 की पहले बात करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 34 इज दैट अगर इमेजिनरी कर्व्स ड्रॉन थ्रू द फ्लूइड टू इंडिकेट द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मोशन इन वेरियस सेक्शंस ऑफ द फ्लो ऑफ द फ्लूइड सिस्टम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 का राइट आंसर इज दैट स्ट्रीम लाइन्स। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 says that equation of dash result from the principle of conservation of mass. The right answer is that continuity. The right answer is the continuity is the right answer. The next question, question number 36 is that question number 36 is that energy at any section plus energy added minus the energy lost and extracted is equal to that section. The right answer is that question 36 that energy at the section plus energy added minus the energy lost and extracted is equal to the energy at the end. The right answer is that 36 का right answer हो जाएगा that is your Bernoulli theorem. Bernoulli theorems. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग इसके आगे क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बात करेंगे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड शेयरिंग। और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ही आपको इन सभी के आंसर जो है वो डिस्प्ले होंगे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड शेयरिंग।